1 1. You press mode, press 8, you press 1, you press 1 again. That's what you do.
There's a very good question here, which is from vectors. The sides of a parallelogram are given by the vector A, which is I plus 2j plus 3k, vector B 4I plus 5j plus 6k. Find the angle theta between the two vectors, and also find the area of the parallelogram. Now, to find the angle between two vectors, we use this formula, cos inverse of A dot B, or magnitude of A times magnitude of B. Now, A dot B will be bring A here, dot bring B here. Magnitude means take the square root of the coefficient of ijk here. Magnitude of B means take the coefficient of the square root of coefficient of ijk here, then you square them. You have the coefficient of this one is 1, you square it. The coefficient is 2, you square it. The coefficient of this one is 3, square it, times same thing for this. 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Then leave the ijk alone. That's how to find the coefficient. So even though it's minus or plus, so this one should be plus, positive. Then you're going to have cos inverse of this. So after this now, let's see what we're going to have next. Then we have cos inverse of this. Then cos inverse of this is 12.93, approximately 13 degrees. That's the angle between them. I also find the area of the parallelogram. Now, area is the magnitude of the two vectors, cross product of the two vectors, which is A cross B. And to find A cross B, we use matrices or calculator, depending on the one you understand. I'm going to show you how to use matrix and also show you how to use calculator. So anyone you find it more accurate or lovely, you follow that way. So look at it. So if you want to find the cross product of A dot B, the first you do, you bring out ijk vectors. The bring vector A, the coefficient of ijk is 1, 2, 3. B is 4, 5, 6. Then you give sign to this ijk, which is plus, minus, plus. This one is from the matrix solution. We're going to therefore take plus I. If we take plus I, we'll cross this column, we'll cross this row. Only this will be left out. So we'll break it out here. Then we'll click minus J, cross this column, cancel this row. Only this and this will be left out. Bring it here. We'll take plus K, cancel out this column, cancel out this row. Then only this will be left out. Bring it here. Then the next thing, we'll cross multiply. We'll cross multiply this to this first one to the last one, then the second one to the third one. So you compare this to this, we have this to this, we have this, then subtract the two from each other. Do the same for all. This times this, minus this times this, this times this, minus this times this, we're going to have this. The next, this minus this, we're going to have minus 3 times I, will have minus 3I. This minus this, we're going to have minus 6 times minus J, we're going to have plus J. Because minus times minus give us plus. This minus this, we are going to have minus 3 times K, we're going to have minus 3K. So this will be the cross product. Now, the magnitude of this cross product is the area of the parallelogram. Let's check for the magnitude to see what we're going to have. So the area will be the magnitude, which is the square root of the coefficient of I square plus the coefficient of J square plus the coefficient of K square. Remember I told you the minus sign is irrelevant here. So even though you don't use them, you still get the correct answer. So it's better you don't even use the minus sign as a beginner. So you're going to have this, use 7.35 square units. That'll be the area of the parallelogram. Thank you.
All right, let's see how to solve that question with our Casio calculator. We are already familiar with the procedure for calculating cross product with our calculator. Now let's see. First thing, you press mode 8, 1, 1. You press mode, press 8, you press 1, you press 1 again. That's what you do with normal calculator. And then you enter vector A. Vector A is I plus 2J plus 3K. So you press 1, press equal to, press 2, press equal to, press 3, press equal to. So this will give you I, that is 1I, plus 2J, and plus what? 3K. Then you press AC button, you press Shift 5, you press 2, 2, 1. That's what you do. Press 2, 2, 1. Then under phase will be open for you. press shift 5 221, then enter vector B. Vector B is 4I, 5J, and 6K. That's vector B. Then you press AC button again. Press AC button again. Then to find the area of parallelogram, just take half. So you don't take half for parallelogram, just take the full, the magnitude of A cross B. To go find the magnitude of A cross B, now you press shift hypotenuse. Press shift HTY. Then you type A cross B there. How do you type A cross B? Shift 5 3. Press shift 5 3 times shift 5 4. So the answer will be 7.35 square unit. That will be the area of the parallelogram. Yeah. So if you also wish to calculate the angle between the two vectors with your calculator, just come and press the cos inverse, shift the cos inverse of A dot B. To press A vector A, just press shift 5 3. That'll give vector A. Then to press dot, you press shift 5. Then you check for the one that is showing you dot. Then you click on that dot. So you have to do that. You click on that dot. Shift 5, then you click on the dot. Click on the one showing you dot. Then shift 5 4. Shift 5 4. Where you have something like this: vector A dot vector B. Press shift 5 3. Then you press shift 5 again. Click on dot, the one that's the button that will show you dot. Then you press shift 5 4. Then divided by the magnitude of A. To get the magnitude of A now, just press shift hypotenuse, shift 5 3. It will give you the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B, shift hypotenuse. Then press shift 5 4. That will give you the magnitude of B. Then press equal to. Then you will have your answer. The answer will be 40.37 degree. Ensure your calculator. No, it will be 12.9. Sorry, my calculator was in grad before. Ensure your calculator is in degree. So the final answer will become in degree 12.9 or approximately 13 degree. So this is how you do this stuff with your Casio calculator. You can try other questions to see if you are very good in this. So thank you.